Rich? What's happening? Why are people running? It's crazy. Happy birthday! Surprise!
Dad, we are so blessed to have you in our lives. Psalm 91:16 says, "With long life I will satisfy him and show him my salvation." We know God has rewarded your faithfulness with 80 wonderful years. We pray that he continues to grant us many more with you. We love you. Happy birthday to a wonderful God.
Look at the snow, guys. It's snowing right now here in Toronto. Andre, open it. So, tignan nyo guys, oh. Mas maraming snow dito kaysa sa amin. Dun sa Alberta, mas marami dito. Papunta kami ng Square One. Favorite mall namin. Ito sa Mississauga. Ito na tayo sa Mississauga. So, yun yung Marilyn Monroe na building. Na yung Square One. Sige, document ko lang kasi pasensya na kayo. First time after 3 years here. Dito ako madalas naglalakad din nung ako ay nakatira pa kami dito sa Mississauga. So ito yung Sheridan College. Yan. Katapat siya ng Square One. Ano siya, today is December 26, Boxing Day. So tingnan natin kung makakahanap kami ng parking. Busy. Siyempre ang mall na to yung Square One. Every time na yung Boxing Day dito dati, 8 o'clock pa lang dito na kami ng shopping. Dati. Pero after mga ilang few years back, nag-stop na kami mag-shopping sa Boxing Day. So na-realize ko din na yung mga damit na binibenta naman nila is parang mga old stock nila ganyan. So hindi rin magaganda yung mga style. Here, the Square One. Excited eh. Huh? What? Who? Bye! So, kanya-kanya na kami ngayon. Saan tayo, Rich? Dito? Back to Square One. Babes, back to Square One. Sobrang busy dito ngayon. Parang zoo. Boxing Day kasi. Rich, come here. Sabi ko, we're back to Square One. Literal. Back to Square One. See? It's a good one, right? Back to Square One. Lululemon. Iba na siya. Tapos, Lululemon. You wanna go here? It's not, oh yeah, what sale do they have? Rich? So, ito yung food district dito sa Square One. Ube. Filipino. Mga ube, oh. Yan. Lahat ube. Ube champurado. Andre. Where are you? Andre. You want the patty? Remember that patty? Patty's Express, you want that? We always get patty from there. Single patty is $2.39. Let's get one. Wait, I want this. Wait, that is masarap pa rin. Mainit. Mainit siya.
It's so cool. It's so hot.
Ganyan? Still good. Sarap, diba? Still good. Bago to, Marry Me Mochi. Premium mochi doon. Bao Mama, wala na yung chips place. Si Filipino yata to. Bao Mama. Yeah. Tapos ito, Korean, ha? Kasi ito, Ito yung fresh market. Dito kami kumakain dati. Ayan. Still the same. Diba? Pareho pa rin. So we bought this Taco Bell. Yung quesadilla for $12.19. Tsaka isa $11.49. Nainis ako dahil ang mahal. No, kasi nacho fries din to, oh, yung cheese. Kaya $11.49. Pero Michaela, how much is it in Alberta? $8.99. It's nacho cheese?
They give you everything.
With drink? It's the same order for $8.99? Are you sure $8.99 daw sa Alberta? Dito $12.19.
And they gave it to Norville.
Plus tax pa. Ay, nakaw. Ayan. Ito na Shack Burger na lang.
Show allergies.
Show allergies. Wala, nothing.
Peanut.
Save. No, peanuts. Oh, yeah. Okay. What else? Shellfish.
Save.
Tree nuts.
Fish.
No, you're not allergic to fish. Save.
Now, see the chef.
Ah, that's it?
Wait.
Tree nuts. Oh, it's okay.
Can you
Kung lumalabas kapag meron siyang allergy na tree nuts. It's okay, it's just tree nuts.
look at it? No, the one with the
Okay.
cheese.
Customize?
We'll share one. But you guys.
Yan. Dali, tikman mo. Shake Shack. Ano lang yan? Cheeseburger. Bacon cheeseburger yan. Maliit lang eh. Tignan mo. Pakita mo nga. Sarap. Si Andre may sarili din. Shake Shack. Shake. Yan, Shack Burger pala. Shack Burger.
Is this a Shack burger?
No, that's a bacon cheeseburger. Potato bun ang gamit nila. Is it good? Worth it? $10 yata yan. Kaya Andre, $8.99. Is it good? Try it. Okay. Try the burger. Sarap. Sarap.
It's good.
Good.
Huh?
I like this with tomato. Sarap. Dito sa Tim Hortons na to ako nag-work before. Nakatira kami dito sa Mississauga, sa may condo dito na malapit. Ito yung workplace ko. Tingnan ko kung dito pa yung mga kasama ko sa work. What's happening? Why are people running? It's crazy. Why? Ayan, nagpagupit ako dito sa Square One. So, yan, Pilipino pa yung nagupit sa akin. So, I don't know. Maganda siya. Type ko na siya. Kasi ang haba na ng buhok ko. Yan, sa magsi ng short hair na tayo ngayon. Short hair. Sabi ni Andre, kasi diba kanina may video doon na nagtatakbuhan yung mga bata. Tapos it happened like 3 times already. Tatakbo lang sila ganyan. Akala namin kung may nangyayari ng masama, may shooting ganyan. Wala naman pala. Parang pag gusto lang nila mag-trending ganyan. No? Ano sabi mo, Andre?
What?
People here are? Sabi ni Andre, people here daw sa Square One are weird. Sabi niya, you don't see that in Alberta. You did. Mga anak kong mahiling mag-photoshoot. Hindi naman naglalaro dito, nagpipicture lang. So, it's 2:30 in the morning and nanood kami ng movie Avatar. Ayan, na movie theater. It's like 3 hours and 17 minutes movie. Napakahaba, pero maganda siya. Very ganda ng visual. Dito to sa Mississauga Cineplex. Ayan, it's 2:43 in the morning. And it's so bright. So bright. Hindi kasi lights. Yung mga maraming lights dito sa Cali. Yan ang pagkakaiba sa Alberta naman madilim. Diba? Maliwanag niya. Grabe. Diba? Sobrang liwanag. Tsaka nalinis na yung road, no? No? Ang bilis ah. Kanina, daming snow sa ano eh. Ngayon, wala na oh. Ganyan kabilis dito. Nililinis ka agad. Bilis na, babe. Nasty weather here. Relax lang kami ngayon. Walang lakad kasi may freezing rain dito today. Nasty weather alert. So, dito lang. Kapakita ko sa inyo yung bakit kung gaano kadaming snow dito. Compared dun sa lugar namin sa Alberta. Mas marami dito sa Ontario. Ito yung backyard dito. Ay. Yeah, yung likod niya, ravine siya.
Meron gustong pumatok dyan, no? Yung timang mga paa.
Hmm?
Yung...
Oh, yan. Ano yan? Raccoon? Oo nga, meron ano. May animal na gustong pumasok. Kita niyo yan. Paikot-ikot siya. So, sa mga kinikrave na Richard yan, Portland jerk. Wala pa kasi...
Jerk pork and jerk chicken. And beans
Sarap.
and-
Ito yung lagi namin kinakain. Dati dito. Pareho pa rin ang lasa. Oh, nabusog na ako. Ito yung kanain ko.
Tatandaan ko yung aling.
Ito yung masarap. Sa Seafood City. Sa sausaw sa suka. Sarap yung ano, yung dilis masarap. Ay, yung ano masarap. Isda. Mm. Oh, kumuha ka ng plate mo.
You get beans on rice, Dad?
Family here. Having dinner. Dinner na. Walang ligo-ligo. Snow dito. Ang lakas ng snow. Ano yung December 29. Tingnan nyo to guys. Sobrang lakas ng snow dito. Okay. December 29 ngayon. Hello! Happy birthday! Surprise! Surprise! Yeah, I think so. You could just...
One of these, Mom?
Daddy's 80th birthday.
And do you guys want to split one?
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, you can.
Someone who is 80 years old has lived through at least 20,000 years, days. True or false?
20,000.
20,000 years? 360.
True? Yes, true. It's actually 29,000 days. Wow. You're 80.
Yeah?
365 days in a year
Times.
days year old.
Oh, they have their own? But they have their own. They ordered for them. Yeah. Let me check. What's your food? Oh, seaweed? Yeah. You guys hungry? Yeah.
for China Story. It was nice having such a loyal customer. I also love hanging out with you. Thank you for driving me to school with so many kids and buying me my favorite treats all the time as well. Thank you for always encouraging me to read my Bible more throughout the years because that actually really motivated me. Also, thank you for being so calm and patient with me even when I'm not. You always know the right things to say to make me feel better and to cheer me up right away. Happy 80th birthday, Mama. I love you so much and I'm glad I could be here to spend this birthday with you.
Yay!
Kayla, thanks for this.
That's Michaela. Michaela's speech. Beverly is cooking. Yan. You guys hungry?
I remember looking forward to fast food takeout dinners when I came home late from work when we were young. I remember when he became Car Salesman of the Year in 2012 and followed in his footsteps in 2013. I remember him telling me to always pray to God, especially whenever we are going through difficult situations. I remember him reading me some of his various writings, short stories, poems, or random thoughts. I remember when he prayed or preached at the gospel hall, and he would always end up crying and I'd end up laughing. I remember not wanting to tell him that I like a certain food, but keep on buying it for you until you hate it.
Yeah, there's buds all over.
Andres feeling. Oh, there, yeah.
Yeah, like that. That's
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, one more.
Andres feeling so funny.
Pagkain mo naman.
Yeah, I can
Antinene kayo!
Everybody first,
Hello guys, ito na, nasa airport na kami at pabalik na kami sa Calgary. What time is it? Time check. What time is it, Andre? 1:23. Our flight is at 6:30 in the morning. So maaga na kami nagpati dito sa airport kasi para hindi na masyado mapuyat yung brother-in-law ko na maghahatid sa amin. Imbes na 2:30 kami umalis sa bahay, umalis na kami ng mga 12 midnight. Tapos dito na lang kami sa airport tatambay. Si Richard, tutulog, waiting for our check-in later, mga 3 hours from now. So, I'm not sure kung makakatulog pa ako. Hindi talaga ako nakakatulog pag ganito. Tapos sa aeroplano, hindi rin ako nakakatulog. So, kaya maaga na lang kaming yung flight na pinili namin para makatulog pa kami sa bahay ng isang araw. And the next day, may pasok kami. Pareho ni Richard. Yeah. Katatapos lang nung birthday ng father-in-law ko, 80th birthday niya. So, yun nga, sama-sama kami sa isang restaurant. Kumain kami sa isang Korean restaurant dyan sa Mississauga. Kasama yung kapatid niya, si Auntie Nene, pati yung mga pamangkin niya, si Stephanie, tapos kaming lahat ng mga anak niya. Andun kami, tsaka mga apo. So, it's a very small gathering. So, yun nga, yung stay namin dito sa Toronto is parang 5 days lang talaga siya. Very short. Pero okay na rin yun. At least nakabisita kami ngayong Christmas break at nakita namin yung mga families namin. So yan, hopefully talaga makasakay kami today kasi nga body pass pa rin kami ngayon. And ang body pass nga parang ano siya, hindi sure yung flight mo kapag meron lang available seats tsaka ka makakasakay. Guys, it's 3:51 a.m. and wala pa akong tulog. Si Richard nakatulog siya ng mga 2 hours, 3 hours dun sa may upuan. Dun kanina sa arrival. Dun na lang kami nagstay. Kami ni Andre ay wala pang tulog. So, kami yung mga kauna-unahan dito sa gate namin. Merong isang family din dito, Filipino. Tapos, yung kami. Ayan, ito yung gate ng Toronto. Maganda siya at hindi masyadong crowded ngayon. So, yan. Wala pang mga tao ngayon. Ayan si Richard. Tapos ito yung si Andre gustong umorder ng pagkain dahil daw we deliver right to your gate. Siya daw magbabayad. No, Andre?
Huh?
Are you gonna pay for it?
Yeah.
Marami kasi nakuha tong perang Christmas gift no? Yeah. Ayan.
Can I go to juice?
6:30 yung flight namin. 3:51 pa lang in the
Can I go
morning.
get juice?
No.
Huh?
Just drink water.
Buga.
No. Oh, Starbucks.
Buga, buga.
What? You want Starbucks? Use your money. No, Starbucks.
We will now be dimming the cabin lighting. Your personal reading light is located at your seat. Nous allons maintenant
Bye bye,
l'éclairage de la cabine. Votre lumière de lecture se trouve à votre service.